Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is Monday 29th June 2020, Year 2 Maths. Today we're going to be looking at a new topic in measurement, and that is mass, capacity and temperature. Right, to get the knowledge organizer, you can either download it from the email that we have sent you, or you can download it from the Grange. So you need to go to Grange Primary School website, click on online learning, click on Year 2 and scroll down to Knowledge Organisers, and the Knowledge Organiser will be there. But this is what the Knowledge Organiser looks like. So we've got the key vocabulary on one side, we've got everything to do with mass here, everything to do with capacity and temperature. So in the coming 2 weeks, we are going to be looking at comparing mass, measure mass in grams, measure mass in kilograms, compare volume, look at millimeters, liters, and temperature. Pause the video here and make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the worksheets from class charts or email. Write the short date at the top of the page, 29.6.20. Write the LI to compare mass, part 1. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Let's look at the key vocabulary for mass. Please repeat after me. Heaviest, heavier, the same as, lightest, more than, equal to, lighter, less than. Right, pause the video here and please make sure you have your workbook and a pencil, as we are going to look at a video which is part of the White Rose scheme that the school follow, and in this video they're going to ask you to answer some questions. Right, let's have a look at it.
Oh no, the eggs are rolling everywhere. We're comparing mass today. What do you notice about this scale? I've noticed that the flour must be heavier than the eggs, and that's why the eggs are rolling down our scale. The eggs were lighter and the flour was heavier. So using that vocabulary, lighter or heavier, can we complete the sentence at the bottom? And don't worry, the eggs are in their box this time. Pause the video here and have a look. What do you notice? That's right. The scale is tipped down on the eggs side, which means the eggs are heavier than the cherries. What does that tell us about the cherries then? Pause the video to have a think. The cherries are lighter than the eggs. Eva is trying to balance on this scale with some cubes. She needs to find the amount of cubes that have the same mass as she does. What do you notice about the scale at the moment? That's right, Eva is heavier than 1 cube. Eva is heavier than 2 cubes. Eva is heavier than 4 cubes. Gosh, how many cubes will she need? Eva starts looking around for other heavy things to see if she can get her scales to balance. Pause the video here and see if you can complete the sentences. That's right, the castle's mass is equal to 2 cubes, and the van's mass is equal to 5 cubes. Eva is looking for heavy things to help balance her scale. Do you think she needs the castle or the van? That's right. She can use the van. The van is heavier. She continues her search. Can you pause the video here and complete the sentences? That's right. The money box's mass is equal to 4 cubes, and the vase's mass is equal to 6 cubes. So which is heavier, the money box or the vase? That's right. The vase is heavier. Eva puts the cubes to the side for a minute and places the van and the vase on one side of her scale, and she hops onto the other, and it balances. The van and the vase together have the same mass as Eva. Eva's done it! She's found that 11 cubes. Oh no! The cubes have fallen off, and she's had to jump off too. She's found that 11 cubes have the same mass as she does, but she really wants to balance, and she can't, because every time she balances with the cubes, she wobbles a little bit and the cubes fall off. She decides, I need to find a cube which is heavier than these cubes. What do you notice about this green block and the cubes on the other side of the balance? That's right. The green block has the same mass as the 5 cubes on the other side. One green block has the same mass as 5 cubes. But one green block isn't enough to balance with Eva, because she has the same mass as 11 cubes. What about 2 green blocks? If one green block has the same mass as 5 cubes, 2 green blocks will have the same mass as... That's right, 10 cubes. Eva's going to jump on the scale. Oh, it's still not enough. Oh yes, because Eva has the same mass as 11 cubes. What's she going to do? Eva thinks. 2 green blocks has the same mass as 10 cubes, and I have the same mass as 11 cubes. So what shall she do? Pause the video here to have a think. That's right. She needs one more cube. Should we pop them on the scale? Let's see if it balances. Yes! Finally, Eva can balance on the scale.
Right, pause the video here and please make sure you have downloaded the worksheets from class chart or email. This is what the worksheet looks like. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. See you tomorrow. Bye.